Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Twitter ads, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Twitter ads account if you don't have one yet. Visit ads.twitter.com and sign in with your Twitter credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin. Choose your campaign objective based on your goals. Your options may include brand awareness, website visits, or lead generation. Set your campaign name to help you easily identify it later. Next, establish your budget and bidding strategy. Select either a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign duration. Choose your bidding option based on your campaign goals. After setting up your budget, decide on your target audience. You can target users by demographics, interests, and behaviors. Make sure to refine your audience to maximize ad relevancy. Now, you can create your ad group. This is where you set the schedule for your ads. Define the start and end dates, and set your placement preferences. Next, it's time to create your ad content. Choose between an image, video, or carousel format for your ad. Add engaging visuals that capture attention and represent your brand. Craft a compelling message that encourages users to take action. Include a clear call to action that directs users on what to do next. Once your ad is ready, preview it to ensure everything looks correct. Double-check your targeting, budget, and ad creative. After reviewing, click on the Launch Campaign button. Monitor your campaign performance regularly. Use Twitter's analytics tools to track engagement metrics. Analyze which ads are performing well and which need adjustments. Optimize your campaign by tweaking your audience or ad content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.